Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you what is actually worth it to buy at the drugstore. I'm testing it out so you don't have to. Some things I was so shocked by how good they are. Some you can definitely save your money. The others, you need it right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. We're gonna prep my lips first because they are so dry. I'm using the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm, and this is in Strawberry Shortcake. It smells so good. By the way, thanks to e.l.f. Cosmetics for sponsoring this portion of the video. I love a little tint that gives moisture on the lip, and the new e.l.f. Reviver Melting Lip Balms have been perfect for that. But I always like to prep my lips first so they look smooth. They're ready for the lip that I'm doing later. You guys, this Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm from e.l.f. has been living in my routine. There's these blend of butters and hyaluronic acids, so it makes it feel very buttery soft and super hydrating. And I love that it gives this natural glossy finish, and it's buildable. So if you want more tint, you can add more. It's the kind of product you use on a daily basis, and it makes the perfect gift because it's affordable, cute, and it comes in different flavors and shades that anyone would love. Now that my lips are smooth and ready, let's move into the rest of the look. Okay, let's get into the skin. I have been meaning to try this blurring primer from Hard Candy. They actually came out with so many different primers and I want to try them all, but this one is a 12-hour hold, reduces pores and fine lines. Yes, thank you very much. Do you see the fine lines on my forehead? I need to get Botox again. It's been a while, so. You know what I like about this? It doesn't feel like it's tugging on my skin. I've been wanting to try this Rimmel multitasker. It's called Better Than Filters, and it's a primer, highlighter, and a glow booster. It's giving Charlotte Tilbury. Let's see how this is gonna look all over the face because we wanna look smooth, glowy, and young forever. Pretty. I like that. Oh no. No, it looks really pretty from far, but close up, you can see my skin starting to peel. And I don't know if it's the primer mixed. Oh no. I don't think that the primer mixed well with the primer because it's supposed to be a primer too, but I don't think they just mixed well together. But I'm gonna remove this and I'll be back. I think this looks so pretty that I wanna give it another try by itself. And I'm hoping that it doesn't peel. The shine is so pretty. This is the shade Fair Light. I know they have different shades of this, especially if you like a glow from within. This would be so pretty. Ooh, I really love how it's making my skin look so healthy, and it's a natural glow from within. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go on to foundation. I feel like I need to just even out my skin tone even more, but I love this glow underneath. I feel like it also makes my skin look kind of hydrated. Naturally, I am so dry. The next product is this Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Skin Tint Stick. I actually have tried this and I know that it doesn't have very much coverage, but if you do like a skin tint that's just gonna even out your skin tone. My neck is darker than my face because I exfoliate like every day. I need to relax. But this is the shade Light Medium, and I like it because it just gives you like a soft, even finish. Most of my coverage is gonna be in the concealer anyways, so I don't mind if my skin tint doesn't have as much pigment and coverage. As long as it gives me this healthy, even, soft glow, I'm fine. Okay, this combination is kind of incredible. Look at that finish. Oh my god, this is such a pretty combo. Okay, for under my eye, I've been wanting to try this Catrice under eye brightener, and this is like a pink one. It's called Light Rose. I'm all about brightening my under eye, so I want to try it and just see if it actually does give me more of a brighter look. I get questions from people that are a little confused on under eye correctors, and that I totally get it because they're almost like, can't you just use a corrector? Why use a concealer over it? But correctors have lighter coverage. They really just diffuse the tone of that area. Usually pink will help minimize darkness under the eye. Wait, do you see how even and hydrated this is? It's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this concealer. I've used it before, but I really love this one. It's very similar to NARS. This is the Revolution Skin Silk. I think it's inspired actually by the Armani Luminous Silk because the foundation from Revolution is very similar. Ooh, and there's a metal tip on it. Oh my god, I haven't done a long form video in so long, you guys. I missed doing them. I literally do. I just spend so much time creating short content that I'm just like, I get sucked into it a bit. So if you don't see my long form videos, hopefully you are watching my short form videos. I have really been having fun with them. I think I grew so much just by my shorts. I'm getting so much love on my shorts and I really appreciate you guys for that. Whoever is out there watching my shorts, love that for us. Let's grow our community. This is really nice. I like it. I would definitely try this out if you like a light coverage. All of the coverage that I have on right now is very light. So if you like light coverage, you're gonna love this video because all of the coverage here is very light. And we're working in layers, so it doesn't actually look like it's not doing anything. It is doing a lot for me. Let's look at my before and after. Yeah, it's doing so much, but in light layers, you can have such a great effect. And I'm using this bronzer from Essence. This is a contouring stick actually, but this is a bronzing side. You see how it's more warm. I'm just gonna add it to my eyes. It just gives the face a little life before you go in and hollow it out with the contour, because that's basically what you're doing with a contour. Okay, this is really dark for me. I'm gonna pick up a different one because I have a few of them here. Oh my God, this one's so light though. Let's try this one. Okay, well, that is definitely a shadow. Contours should look like a shadow on your face, so that's great. And I really don't like to put contour anywhere else but my nose, because that's the only area that I want to adjust the shape of. So I'm gonna use the same brush that I used for my skin tint and just work that in all over. And we now have a little more life to our face. I'd love to hear what you guys want to see more of on my channel. I haven't done drugstore makeup in such a long time, so I personally really wanted to do this type of video. And when I got a request to do a sponsorship with e.l.f, I was like, definitely the perfect time to do this drugstore video because I've been wanting to do it myself. But oh my God, this is such a good contour stick. Let me show you both sides. For the blush, I want something a little bit more fall, since we are completely in a fall season right now. So I'm using this Catrice Blush and Charm. I love fall, and I feel like I haven't done any fall looks yet, but they are coming your way. Just you watch. I'm gonna add a little bit on the outer parts of my eyes just to give some dimension, and looks like eyeshadow a bit, but it's not eyeshadow. I am gonna be doing a little bit of eyeshadow today, just so you guys know. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I actually really like that, but you know, because it has this like, there's something about it that's a little bit juicy, almost gives summer still. Even though it's a darker shade in the tube, it's still giving summer, like vacation. I'm not mad at it. I think I took off part of my eyebrow already. I'm not gonna lie, I've had these brows on all day. It's like 9 o'clock this morning, so they're hanging in there. But I wanted to use this palette. This is the Rimmel Nude Edition. Take this shade right here. It's like it's the shade that has the most like red tone in it. I'm gonna do this in the crease. I'm actually gonna go in a circular motion, not wing it out. For what? I don't know. But I'm just feeling like, ooh, it's very light in pigment. Let's try to get a little more pigment out of there. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's more cool tone than what I thought it would be. Take a week off from Pilates in your 30s and you will never be the same. Oh my God, it's horrible. I'm gonna take this light shade right here and I'm gonna pop it on the inner corner of the eye because I wanna open this area up. My face, and this is because of the way that my face is shaped, I feel a little bit more prettier. I just feel like it looks better when I put something lighter right in the center because my face is kind of small and my eyes are a little closer together. So it gives a little space and harmony and balance when I can brighten this inner area. But the most important thing I wanted to use is this Hard Candy Bubbly Shimmer Shadow Marker. It's so pretty. So crazy pretty. I haven't put it on my eyes yet, but I swatched it on my hand and it is just glowy and glimmery and just gorgeous. So I'm gonna take it on the inner corners like that. I'm also gonna take it right on my waterline. to open up my eyes and give them a little extra sparkle. That's really pretty. I love that actually. You guys need to try this marker from Hard Candy. Hard Candy has been coming out with a lot of cute launches, and not mad at it at all, and they have a lot of good things going on for them right now. Yeah, so would I buy this eyeshadow palette myself? No, because there's not as much pigment. The colors are too cool tone. I don't mind it. This look isn't that bad, but I wouldn't spend my money on it, just to be honest with you guys. What's next? And then for to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna do some mascara. This is a new mascara from Essence. It's a tubing mascara, which has been really popular lately, and I can't wait to try this out. For the past few months, I haven't been putting on lower lash mascara, and I'm gonna tell you why. I've looked at photos of myself with lower lash mascara, and I feel like, for one, it transfers if I'm not using a tubing mascara, and it like drags down my face, and I don't know why, but it makes me feel like I look older. Yeah, I love Essence mascaras. This one, I think it needs to dry, and then I need to like curl it. Right now, it's looking, how is it looking? Maybe it's looking good and I just don't see it from my angle. But okay, that is the mascara. Let me add a lash. Okay, I just added some lash clusters underneath my lashes. I'm not super blown away by the mascara. I feel like their non-tubing mascaras are actually better, but that's just my personal preference. I also want to try out this Diamond Dust Physicians Formula Mineral Wear. How pretty is that? And so I'm just gonna put this Golden Glow on the high points of my face. This is very particle-y. A lot of shimmer particles on your face. They're a lot bigger than what I would think, but it is really pretty. Like, it has a pretty sparkle to it, but you can see the dots of sparkle when you're close up. But from far, I think it looks really nice. But that was the Physicians Formula Diamond Dust. I also just need to set my face, and I haven't tried this. This is the Flawless Trio from Essence, which is cool. It's like a pink, purple, and like a peachy color mixed together. Wait, why does this smell really good? Wow. I've never had a powder that smelled like candy. Ooh, that is blurring. I'm gonna take it on the inner portion of my face just so it looks even and smooth here, but the glow is on the outside of the face. I love a bright under eye. So I'm gonna take my She Glam Pressed Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Buttercream. Take some of the powder on the powder puff, and I'll take it lower. I won't put it right underneath my under eye because I will crease. I have so many fine lines and they will show up. So try to keep it pretty low. The powder foundation kind of gives more coverage, so it fills in and brings out and brightens the center of your face. But now I need like a powder blush, and the one that I have is from Rimmel. It's the Maxi Blush in the shade Wild Card. Just like a really pretty pink color, very lightweight. I look like I'm from the 80s. Now I look like my actual birth year. I don't know how that got there that fast. This is a lip from Rimmel. It's called Cappuccino. Just a really pretty brown lip liner. I would definitely get it again. It's very smooth and glides on almost like a lipstick. I go in with the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm in Vanilla Toffee. Smells so good. It definitely smells like fall. And this is the perfect combo for this look. Okay, now this is a fall look. And then to lock it in, I'm gonna do the Grip on Lock Setting Spray, the Major Hydration from Hard Candy. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I missed a drugstore product that you love and I need to try it, please let me know in the comments. I need to know because I love finding new good products at the drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I want to let you know that you are beautiful on the inside. It's really what counts and shines through on the outside. Before I let you go, I just wanted to tell you that. Take that with you throughout the week. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.